So using a compass, you can see here just a brief introduction of how to use it, how to set it up, etc. So here is my compass. You will notice that I've got a really sharp end to my pencil, and when I close them up you'll see that the points are near enough touching, which makes it extremely easy to use then when they're set up this way. You notice this is nice and tight. You'll notice that the legs need a bit of force to open them, which is a good thing. If they get a little bit loose, then you need to use a little screwdriver in order to tighten these up. If you get given these as part of a Christmas cracker, please bring them in, give them to your math teacher, and they can keep them in the top drawer, because every teacher's got one. So I've also got a sharpener and a rubber and a ruler, and I even got an additional pencil to use for my centre of my circle, okay? So in terms of labelling my circle, this line here from the centre to the outside in one straight line is called the radius. Okay, so if this was a bicycle tyre, a bicycle wheel, that'd be from the centre. This would look like a spoke on my bicycle wheel. Okay, so let's start using these then. Let's draw a circle now. Okay, so I get a piece of paper. Okay, complete blank piece of paper. We need a centre point for my circle, so I'm going to put a little cross there. Okay, now this one's going to have a radius of 3 centimetres. So we need to get our ruler. We need to measure our compass to 3 centimetres. Sharp point on the 0, and make sure the sharp point of the pencil is on the 3. Okay, this is the only time we touch the legs of the compass to make sure that is accurately enough on where you need it to be. This one being 3 centimetres. Right. Now I'm only going to use my thumb and finger on the grip part of the compass. You'll notice there are no grips on either of the legs, so therefore you cannot touch them when we're going to be rotating this compass. Okay, grips on the top, keep your finger and thumb on there. So what I'm going to do, sharp point needs to go on the cross, which is going to be the centre of my circle. It needs to be nice and accurate. Keep it on there. We now need to keep the weight of the compass on that centre point. Okay, my pencil is not touching the page yet. I need to make sure that is all set. Push down with it, and then it'll be set. I'm then going to start at a 12 o'clock position and rotate round to a 6 o'clock position. Okay, that sharp point of that compass is still on that cross, and I'm just going to keep rotating to complete the circle. Okay, now this does take a bit of practice. Okay, you'll notice my left hand is completely out of the way. If you're left-handed, then obviously use your left hand, keep your right hand out of the way. I've seen pupils in the past rotate the page and they keep the compass still. However, yes, it does give you the correct answer. However, this is just an introduction, and we're going to be using this compass for a lot more skills instead of just drawing circles. Okay, so let's try again. Let's have a centre point. This time we're going to have a radius of 4 centimetres. Radius of 4 centimetres. Let's use our ruler. Sharp point on here. Let's open out to 4 centimetres. There it is. Okay, now I don't need to touch the legs at all because I know that is set to 4 centimetres. Sharp point on the cross. Let's push it down a bit to make sure it's set, and then rotate all the way around to draw an accurate circle which has a radius of 4 centimetres. And there it is. So in terms of helping yourself or buying yourself a little geometry set, that would be ideal for this, where you can have a compass, a pencil, normally a protractor's in there as well, along with a ruler and a rubber. Sometimes you even come with a sharpener. Okay, so you need these pieces of equipment in order to be really good at these. Remember, this is only an introduction. You'll be using these per compasses a lot more to come at GCSE. Hope it helps.